Hi friends, Siddharth again. Today's topic: is German language skills really mandatory for me to find a job in Germany? Can I find a job in Germany with English language? Is it mandatory for me to learn German before I come for job in Germany? So friends, see, the simple answer to this question is absolutely no. Fortunately, no. If German language was so necessary, then probably job seekers visa would not have been given to people who don't know German language. That's as simple as that. But then what are the benefits of me learning German and then coming to Germany on job seekers visa? But friends, I would like to highlight this in bold fonts that if you learn German and then come to Germany for job search, your chances of finding a job are 10 times more than without your German language skills. Now, apart from that, friends, German is required not only for your job search, but for your daily lives as well. If you go out of your house and try to interact with general public, then probably you will find it very hard to interact with them. And if you were to interact with a German official, like for example, a Rathaus or Ausländerbehörde or any other office, you'll really have a very tough time interacting with them. So what do I exactly mean by saying that I know German? This is a very vague word. See, I have been learning German for last 4 years, but still I can't say that I'm very fluent in German. When I say that you must learn German, that doesn't mean that you be so fluent in German language that tomorrow you become a politician in Germany and start giving speech. It's absolutely not like that. By saying that you must learn German, it means that you should be able to interact with your colleagues, you should be able to interact with your general public, your neighbors, your people around you in German language. Now, don't be demotivated, friends. As per my experience, even if you show your eagerness or your readiness to learn German, that is more than enough for you to find your job in Germany. See, as you all know, Germany is the economy hub of Europe. Here, most of the international companies' headquarters are there. So you still have a lot of chances finding job in the international companies. But again, not to mention, friends, if you learn German, then you'll have a lot many more options to get employed.
If you are only English speaker, I'll show you how much difference does it make. I'll first away go to Zing. And in case if you're not aware, friends, what Zing is like LinkedIn, but it is a German product. Believe me, friends, most of the Germans are actually recruiting over Zing only. So let's dive in. So this is how Zing's landing page looks like. Now I want to go for jobs. So I'll straight away go to Stellenmarkt. And let's say I type in IT, software, Entwickler. Okay, I put it in Köln and I have taken a radius of 20 kilometer and then I try to search. So did you see, friends, there are 927 jobs which it found. Now, in case if in this field I also add English and then search, this one is the German spelling of English. There are only 3 jobs which are accepting your profile if you are only an English speaker. And if I remove it, 927. Now, in case if you want to search for more, let's say IT software developer, and then I search in Köln in 20 kilometers, I find 278 Stellenangebot. Stellenangebot, by the way, means job offers. And in case if I write English also, so now did you see it's only 18 Stellenangebot gefunden. That means only 18 job offers found. So this is a proof, friends. If you are exclusively an English speaker and you want to search your job only based on your English skills, you are definitely going to have very less opportunities.
One tip from my side, friends, after seeing my this video, please just search in YouTube German language A1 level. A1 level means it is the basic of German, and you should actually know this is the minimum thing. Even if you are able to pronounce every alphabet of your name in German language, that shows that you are at least trying to learn German. And that's more than enough, friends, believe me. So in my opinion, friends, please don't run away from this language. If you plan to make your career in Germany, you have to do it. Either today or tomorrow, it is mandatory for you to do it. From job point of view, friends, if you are in a very initial level of your career, for example, you have 3 or 4 years of work experience and you are working as just next to a fresher, then probably you need not interact with anybody other than your team in your job. In such cases, you still have a lot of chances finding a job in Germany. However, if you are in non-technical profiles, for example, in marketing, sales, or business development, business analyst, for such purposes, it is almost mandatory. Still, I'll say it is almost mandatory that you learn German. I take my own example, friends. My company is a German company, but we have vendors, we have clients from other countries as well. I have clients and vendors from UK, from Poland, from Spain. And in such an international environment, English is the only language which is used. So in my case, it so happens that when I am interacting within my team, I am always interacting in German language. But once we are interacting with our clients or our vendors, we have to switch over to English language. I request you to please subscribe to my channel because I'll be making many German videos as well. And this German is going to be everyday German. How do you interact with your neighbors? How do you interact with, say, police? I request you to please press that bell icon also so that you never miss any of my German videos.